How to fix the error msvcp140.dll is missing in Fall Guys. Now what you want to do is head on to your web browser and go to the Microsoft web page. So type in. On the top right you'll see the search button. So click that and type in Visual Redistributable C++. The first result that pops up, you want to click that, select your language and click download. Here select both of these files and click next. As you can see, I already have these two files, so what I'm gonna do is download them. You wanna select the 64 one, double click it. I agree to the license terms and conditions, install, select yes. Now you wanna go to the second one on the 86. I can't download it because I already have it downloaded. And that's how to fix the msvcp140.dll is missing in Fall Guys.